Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to open my computer using run command. So guys, if you want to open my computer using run command, so very easy. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type, Windows key plus R key type, and type here 3 dot dot. After click on OK. That is one again. Firstly, Windows key plus R key type here 3 dot. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quickly method if you want to open my computer using run command. So very easy and quickly method. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for latest update and this video is full or not.